guys to another beautiful location. We are in the city of Los Angeles, all the way on the west coast. Yes, you heard it right. We are here in the beautiful Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Laguna Beach. I can't explain how beautiful this weather is. We escaped the snow to a 75-degree weather. We are here on this high cliff 200 feet above the ocean. Look at this view. Pacific Ocean, of course. It is amazing. Woo! Some surfers down there. This is an amazing day. And we are gonna take advantage, of course, and have fun, explore it, enjoy it. Right? Moment of truth. Let's feel the water. Freezing cold. Wow, it is freezing. My bones hurt. So nice. Maybe I'll run. One dive and I'm out. That's it. We run, we do it. One dive and I'm out. How big the waves are. If I had a board, I'll be there. It's literally taking me with it. Salty. Put the camera, I want to go down. That was nice, refreshing. That was nice. Wow. This is a 45-degree steep hill. Yalla. Next, we are in Los Angeles downtown, going straight to the mountain in front of us. Yes, we're going to the Hollywood sign. Let's find you Hollywood. Love the palm trees. Of course, can't get over that.
Beautiful trees, very clean, quiet neighborhood. You want to see a nice building? Hollywood Boulevard itself and Netflix headquarters. And now, Hollywood Walk of Fame, of course. Everybody knows these stars and how famous they are. All the celebrities, movie stars, and everybody all the way down. Straight. I don't know how many blocks, but I assume some type of block. Theaters, stuff around. It looks like a great downtown to live in. Just look at this Chase Bank branch. Look how beautiful the front is. It's like a... Oh, you blocked my view. Never mind. Woo. Beautiful Santa Monica Beach. Sunset is beautiful. Last bit of sunshine here in California, Santa Monica Beach. It is beautiful. It has served us well. Amazing. Finally, you gotta end the day with beach views, of course. Here it is. Let's go to the pier and have some more fun. Santa Monica Pier. Beautiful. Mickey! Mickey!
Rosie Mama! Hello, Mickey!
تقلب تقلب. This represents cross country Route 66, and this is the end of it, right here at the pier. That's just a fun fact. See you. Clam chowder. Beautiful weather. And my princesses.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another day here in California. We are going to Huntington Beach. Let me show you. Put my mask on. طيب اقدر استاجر اكون رنت. هاي شوف. California's winter is like Philadelphia's summer. 77 degrees. Today is summertime for me here, although it is winter. Can't believe it, man. Beautiful. This is how summer feels in California. I feel totally in a different country. Summertime, baby. It is summer. You are at the beach. Wake up, you are at the beach. Wake up, you are at the beach, baby.
صباح روزي.
Rosie woke up and found herself here on top of the ocean. Amazing, right? Rosie, you want to go surf? You want to go swim? Still freezing cold, but my feet don't feel anymore. Amazing. I did swim a little bit, had a good time, and you can go to the boardwalk, enjoy there a little bit. See you guys, and that's it for LA here from LAX airport. I sincerely thank you guys for watching and enjoying this journey with me, and a lot more to come. We love the city, we enjoyed a lot, and we will be back for sure. All right, see you next time. Thanks. Back in Philly. Yeah.